How does a compass work using magnetic magic? Imagine holding a tiny magnet that always points north no matter where you are. That's essentially what a compass does, and it all comes down to the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth acts like a giant magnet with a magnetic North Pole and a magnetic South Pole. Deep inside the planet, movements in liquid iron create this magnetic field, which extends far into space. When you take out a compass, it has a small needle made of a magnetized metal. This needle is free to spin around on a tiny pivot or float in a liquid to keep it steady. The needle's north end is attracted to the Earth's magnetic South Pole, which is near the geographic North Pole. So, the needle aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field lines, pointing roughly toward the north. This is how you get a reliable way to tell which way is north in wilderness survival situations. When you hold the compass flat and level, the needle moves freely and settles, pointing toward magnetic north. Remember, magnetic north is not exactly the same as true north, which is the actual geographic North Pole. The difference between the two is called magnetic declination, and it varies depending on where you are on Earth. Adjusting for declination is important if you want your compass to match your map accurately. Near the magnetic poles, compasses can behave unpredictably because the magnetic field lines dip vertically, causing the needle to tilt or wobble. To use a compass effectively in survival, you need to understand how it works. First, find magnetic north with your compass. Then, use that to orient your map so you can navigate correctly. If you're using a map with true north, you'll need to adjust for magnetic declination to get accurate bearings. Keep your compass away from metal objects or electronic devices because they can interfere with the magnetic needle. Also, be aware that local magnetic disturbances like large metal structures or power lines can throw off your readings. In the end, a compass is a simple tool that uses the Earth's magnetic forces to give you a steady direction. Its magical effect is actually just the physical interaction between the magnetized needle and the planet's invisible magnetic field. Knowing how it works makes wilderness navigation much easier and more reliable.